My name is Robert Trudelle. I am the owner of Pro-Weld Services. So I went into the United States Air Force at 17 after an ROTC program into what they call a structural repair specialist. So I became an aircraft mechanic. So I had a lot of interaction with materials and metals. So after the Air Force, I came to work for a major airline, and then they also needed some welding at that time. So I went to a local college in the local area and went through their program, finished, graduated in the early 90s. The college had asked me if I wanted to teach, and that was when I really found out how much I liked teaching people. So I did that for about 15 years. In my experience with training welders, the equipment plays a big important role. I found that you really need consistency. You need consistency, you need that different equipment to have similarities of how to operate it as you move from one model to another. I've had a long-standing relationship with Miller that I thought's been pretty good. So in my training center, all the welding booths have the Dynasty 280 as well as the Dynasty Series 350. I like the machines because they're consistent, they're easy to navigate the menus. The pictographs, even though the front faceplate is very small, they give that learner a little understanding, just a little more of why they're changing that parameter and what it's doing. And when using a wireless foot pedal, it's very respondent. You don't really get any lags or any difference between that and a wired foot pedal. If you're doing thin material, edge welds, or materials that are sluggish in nature, they don't really want to flow that well. Agitating the puddle using the pulse features is a big benefit. So on the aerospace side, the Dynasty gives you a lot of opportunity, whether it's portability, especially in the 200 series, making a go box to go somewhere to a remote location, being able to pack it up and get to where you need. I feel confident and comfortable that anything somebody brings to me, I'm going to be able to get them through that training application without running into difficulties. It gives me the reliability and consistency from one piece of equipment to another. Kind of the total package, good input, power usage, so it keeps my operating costs down and keeps my grid space on my power open as much as possible. So it kind of gives me a good overall range of abilities for what I've invested in it.